So the Toro has a little bit of a flat tire. I think I'm going to pull it out today. I'm wondering if all of you out there have this power inflator by Ryobi or whoever, go with whoever you have batteries with. But I wanted to see how accurate it is. It also has a PSI readout on it. So for those of you who don't know, you can find your PSI right on the tire here. This one is a little bit hard, but you'll see it right there. It says 24 PSI. 24 PSI. So we're gonna use this Ryobi here. Let's see what happens. First, we'll take off the cap here. And then just pop this one right here. Push it on there, press down, press that like that. Next, I hit it like one time. It lights up and it says it has no PSI. None, zero. Hope you can see that. So we set it. So let's let this go. Now it says that it's filling up. But if I let go, you see that the PSI was 4.5. When I press it, it's a lot higher. Okay, it says 24, but when I let off, you notice that it went down some PSI. So you have to go actually past what you see. So press it. I'm gonna press it all the way to 27. So looks like you gotta go about 3 past whatever it says. But let's take another reading with a different device. So I have this device here. I don't know if you can see that, but it says 0. I put it on there, it says 23.5. So that's probably about right, because when I took it off, you probably lose a little bit of pressure. So we'll give it a couple more. All right, so now it's 24.5, and then I'll lose a little bit taking it off, and I should be perfect. So a little device is not bad. Great to have around, especially in the wintertime for your car tires. So there you have it, the Ryobi power inflator that also has a lit up display, PSI display.